From custom shutters to unique window shapes, their 15,000 plus options do more than look good. They slash heating costs by up to 40%. Using eco-friendly materials, they provide professional fitting at no extra cost. Bifacial panels capture sunlight from both sides, and a reflective surface underneath can increase output by up to 15%. Made from responsibly sourced larch wood, it stores carbon naturally. Its modular layout fits homes or businesses and can charge your electric vehicle. Most people think of a bulky hood over the stove, but Bora does things differently. Its extractor is built into the cooktop, pulling steam down before they spread. Models range from compact options to advanced systems with smart controls and flexible cooking zones. FlexDrain Pro is a flexible drainage pipe made from polyethylene, built for outdoor water problems. It usually comes in 4-inch widths and rolls of 50 to 100 feet. You can use it to move rainwater away or set up a French drain. If you need someone to help, there's Rosa, built by the same company. She costs $4,900 and can carry up to 100 pounds, like groceries or laundry, up and down stairs. About the size of a carry-on suitcase, she parks and charges in a small station. Take a closer look at the Foyer Sigma. This wood-burning insert heats medium to large rooms with 6.9 kilowatts of power and 84.9% efficiency. Glass door and optional side window create a wide view of the flames, ideal for a modern corner fireplace. If you want to make your home more secure, you defiantly need smarter tech. SecureAM switches combine everyday light control with built-in security. There are 3 options, including motion sensing and dimmer models. They use laser sensors for more accurate detection, send alerts through the SecureAM Guard app, and work with Alexa or Google Assistant. After a good watering, the lawn looks thick and ready for a trim. LUBA2 makes the job very easy. It's a robotic mower with all-wheel drive. Using smart 3D mapping, it cuts neatly around trees and buildings. You can control zones, schedules, and patterns in the app. This system is ideal for spaces up to 1,200 square feet. Its design ensures it can be installed in areas with limited room. The unit comes with useful accessories, including a telescopic pipe and additional cleaning tools. Users can switch between sweeping debris into the kick pan and using the extendable hose for traditional vacuuming. A wise person once said, "Work smarter, not harder." And Brisket have brought that to the kitchen with the NeoSear. It Grills blends wood pellet smoke with electric heating for precise, fast cooking. Its AI, InnoGrill 2.0, guides you, answers questions, and adjusts temps or methods in real time. Next machine is a collectible from Back to the Future Part 2, measuring 8.6 inches long. It floats on a magnetic base with lights that mimic the hover effect. Gull wing doors open and wheels switch between driving and flying modes.